Hello and welcome to AI Journals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI videos for TikTok. Let's dive straight into it. Now, the AI tools that we're going to use is called InVideo AI. All you need to do is just to log in into your account. If you haven't got an account yet, I have a link on the description box below where you can get your own account for free. So let's log into my account. And once it opens, you just go straight to your home page. And on the home page, you click on create AI video. And now we know that TikTok is just a 1 minute video. So we say short, create a short. And then very, very important is for us to choose. There's a little arrow here, so when you click on that, there's a drop down menu, okay, and the first option there is TikTok video. So I'm just going to select that one, and once that is done, then we're going to give InVideo AI the instruction of what we want to create. So I have a little prompt here on my Google Doc. I'll just copy it to save time, and then we'll come back in here, paste it there, okay, and that's it. So we have other options here like background music. I would just say fast and energetic. There are so many other options. Language, I would choose English language. Subtitles, I always like to use a clean subtitle with outlines. It comes out very, very beautifully. And then for voice, I'm just gonna use let's use an American one this time. What do you think? So if you would like, for us, if there's any of your preference, just let us know. So I say young British voice, yeah. Okay, so now I'll say a female voice. Then watermark, I'll just put in the name, our channel name on there. So at AI Journals. Okay, we're nearly there. Music preferences, I use the best audio available, and once we've done all that, I just click on create, continue, and it's giving us a lowdown of the instructions. And then if there's any typo here, as you can see, viral is not spelled correctly, you can correct all that. And then once you're happy, generate a video. And then InVideo AI goes on the background, does its things, and then it will present it to us. So now it's done it. So we go on, click on stock media. TikTok is always 1 minute, but I'm just gonna do 45 seconds. And then audiences, TikTok creators, that's perfect. And the platform is TikTok, so I'll click on continue. So InVideo AI goes on the background and does everything, the pictures, the voice, and everything that will make the TikTok video perfect. Hey, it's created our TikTok video. Let's just play it and see what happens.
Ready to break the internet with your next TikTok? Here's how. Tip number 1. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are shorter than a goldfish's memory, folks. Tip 2. Use trending sounds. If it's hot, you gotta hop on it. Tip 3. High energy always. Dance, jump, or even just wave enthusiastically. Make people feel your vibe. Tip 4. Don't skip on captions. They're not just for the hard of hearing, they keep everyone engaged. Tip 5. Hashtags are your BFFs. Use them wisely, don't just spam #viral. Tip 6. Engage, engage, engage. Reply to comments and keep the convo going. And finally, tip 7. Be yourself. Authenticity shines brighter than any filter. There you have it! Now go make some viral magic. Follow at AI Journals for more tips.
I like the way he ended the video. This is amazing. Each time I look at these videos, it just makes me, very, very excited. Are you excited as well? Let me know on the comments below. If you need any help, let me know. If there's any suggestions you would like us to include in our videos, let me know. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos, because I'm diving deep. I'm getting all the juicy AI tools, AI agents, and everything AI. And then we do a weekly digest of what's happening around the world, in the world, this new world of AI. So you don't want to miss out on it. It's your boy MC Jonas from London, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.